Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of obtaining instant car insurance with Geico using the Quick Quote feature. Whether you're a new driver or looking to switch your current policy, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the process effortlessly. Step 1. Visit the Geico website. Start by visiting the Geico website at www.geico.com. This is where you will find all the resources you need to get your instant car insurance quote. Step 2. Access the Quick Quote tool. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Get a Quote tab. Click on this to access the Quick Quote tool designed for fast and efficient insurance quotes. Step 3. Enter your information. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information. This typically includes your zip code, the year, make, and model of your vehicle, along with details about your driving history. Make sure all information is accurate to receive the best quote possible. Step 4. Customize your coverage options. After you submit your vehicle details, you'll be able to customize your coverage options. Geico offers different types of coverage such as liability, collision, comprehensive, and more. Review each option carefully and select what fits your needs. Step 5. Review your quote. Once you've entered all the relevant information and selected your coverage, Geico will generate a quote for you. Take your time to review all aspects of the quote, including premiums, deductibles, and coverage limits. Step 6. Finalize your policy. If you're satisfied with the quote, you can proceed to finalize your policy. You'll need to provide additional personal information and choose a payment option. Geico often allows you to pay for your policy monthly or in full. Step 7. Get your proof of insurance. After completing your payment, Geico will provide you with proof of insurance. This documentation can usually be accessed instantly through your email or the Geico mobile app, enabling you to show proof of coverage as needed. Remember, securing instant car insurance with Geico is a quick and straightforward process. With just a few clicks, you can drive away feeling secure and protected. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips on car insurance and other financial topics.